Should you buy a condominium unit or a house and lot as your first home? Bago mo gawin ang napaka-kritikal na desisyon ng iyong adulting life, panoorin mo itong video na maaring makatulong sa'yo para hindi ka magsisi sa bibilhin mong property. Hello, I'm Ann Clemente, a licensed real estate broker and a content creator. I exerted a lot of effort in this video, so I'm going to be really thankful if you give this video a like. And if you still haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. Anyway, I lived in a house and lot for more than 20 years and now I live in a condominium. Dahil pareho kong natirahan ng housing types na yan, masasabi ko talagang merong pros at cons sa bawat isa. But I can't tell you that a house and lot is better than a condominium and vice versa as your principal residence because at the end of the day, it really depends on a person's preference, lifestyle, and goals. And to help your decision making easier, you can consider three factors: location, ownership and maintenance costs, and lifestyle, or LOL for short. Location. Location is an important consideration when buying a home because it has an impact on your quality of life. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka nang pipili ng lokasyon na bagay sa iyong personalidad, pero dapat malapit din yung titirahan mo sa lugar na palagi mong pinupuntahan, gaya ng workplace, church, mall, at iba pa para yung everyday life mo ay convenient. So, ang tip sa inyo, mula sa lokasyon na balak mong tirahan, mag-drive ka, mag-commute ka, o maglakad ka sa mga lugar na parating mong binibisita o pinupuntahan. Check if the distance is convenient for you. And just because you desire a location, it doesn't mean you will be able to live in your preferred housing type in that location. Kasi kung gusto mong tumira sa city center, asahan mo ng mas mahal yung landed properties kesa sa condominium units. Some house and lots in prime locations even cost a fortune as prices may start at 60 million pesos and can go as high as 1 billion pesos. Kaya kung gusto mong tumira sa abot kaya na bahay at lupa, walang kaso dapat sa'yo na mag-commute o mag-drive ng at least 45 minutes para makapunta at makabalik mula sa city center. Current locations to keep in mind for affordability are Bulacan, Pampanga, Rizal, Cavite, Laguna, and Batangas. On the other hand, condominiums are often located in strategic and transit-oriented locations, kaya posibleng mabuhay nang hindi ko magamit ng sasakyan. Pwede ring maglakad na lang kung saan mo kailangang pumunta. Meanwhile, if you opt for condominiums located in the fringe areas, there is still ease of access to public transportation. Plus, the building usually has commercial establishments on the ground floor for the residents' convenience. Ownership and maintenance costs. Kapag gusto mong bumili ng pre-selling house and lot mula sa real estate developers, ang kadalasang pinakamadali sa bulsang payment term ay at least 10% ng selling price para sa down payment at payable yan ng 18 months tapos yung balance ay for bank financing. Kaya example, para sa isang 4 million pesos duplex house and lot, the down payment is 400,000 pesos at kapag payable in 18 months, ang babayaran monthly ay 22,222.22 cents lamang hanggang 18 month tapos yung balance ay for bank financing. Pero sa ganyang klaseng payment term, mas maiksi yung oras na meron ka para masigurado mo na ma-approve ka para sa isang housing loan. At kailangan ma-approve ka kasi kung hindi, walang mababalik sa yung pera dahil hindi pasok sa masedalo ang 18 months. At maaaring hindi mo kayanin ang bigat ng interest sa in-house financing. By the way, pinakamatagal ng down payment period para sa pre-selling house and lot ang 2 years. When you want to buy a pre-selling condominium from real estate developers, the usual payment term is at least 20% of the total contract price for the down payment. Pero dahil sa pandemic, karamihan ng real estate developers ngayon ay nag-aalok ng at least 15% of the total contract price. Yung down payment ay maaaring payable up to 60 months. So for example, For a pre-selling condo with a total contract price of 5 million pesos with a 15% down payment payable in 60 months, yung 750,000 pesos na down payment magiging 12,500 pesos na lang kada buwan. And when the down payment is longer, it allows a buyer to save money for the balance, which can help lower the monthly mortgage payments or allow him or her to even pay the balance in cash. Kung yung buyer kailangang kumuha ng housing loan, magkakaroon ng mas maraming oras para mapabuti ang credit score. On the other hand, when you want to buy a resale house and lot or resale condominium, it all depends on the seller if he will accept a bank approval or bank guarantee letter. Kaso kadalasan kapag maganda yung lokasyon ng property o nasa magandang condition pa yung property, ang tatanggapin lang na bayad ng seller ay 100% cash. Whether you are paying in cash or you'll secure bank financing, you have to set aside money for the closing costs, which is at least 4% of the selling price. When you own a house and lot, you generally have total control over the property to remodel or make changes without the consent of others. Kailangan mo lang ng pahintulot kung nakatira ka sa subdivision kung saan lahat ng bahay ay kailangan merong pagkakapareho. Halimbawa, kailangan pareho kayo ng kulay ng bahay. Ibig sabihin, bawal mong palitan yung pintura sa gusto mong kulay. Kaya naman, baka bawal kang maglagay ng fence o gate. Kapag ganyan, bawal ka syempre maglagay ng gate. And if you are going to do a major improvement such as adding another floor, adding a covered garage or etc., you'll need to secure a building permit from the office of the building official. When you own a condominium, you have limited control because what you may only change is the inside of your unit. Hindi mo pwedeng palitan yung main door mo, pati bintana. At kapag balak mong mag-renovate ng iyong unit, kailangan mong kumuha ng approval mula sa building o property manager. Approval is needed to ensure that the changes you'll make won't affect the building structural integrity, wiring, and even plumbing. Maliban sa pagkuha ng approval, maaring kailangan mo ring magbayad ng construction bond na ibabalik naman pag natapos ang renovation. You also need to file all the necessary permits, including construction permits, delivery permits, etc. When you own a property, of course, you have to maintain it. At kapag may-ari ka ng house and lot, automatic na ikaw ang responsable sa lahat ng maintenance at repair costs. Recommended na magtabi ka ng at least 1% ng purchase price ng bahay mo per year para sa maintenance at repair ng iyong house and lot. Lalo na yung klima sa bansa natin ay humid kapag dry season at mabagyo kapag wet season. Kaya halimbawa, ang binili mong house and lot ay 8 million pesos. Ang kailangan mong itabi kada taon ay 80,000 pesos para mapanatili na maganda ang tirahan mo. Yung iba kaya namumurahan sa house and lot ay dahil hindi nila ginagawa ito, tapos mas lumalaki yung gastos nila dahil hindi naaagapan yung mga sira. Maintenance and repair expenses might cost more depending on the home's age, condition, and materials used. And if you choose to live in a gated subdivision or a townhouse development, you will also need to pay the Homeowners Association fees monthly or annually to enjoy the common services and facilities like 24-hour security, garbage collection, and use of the clubhouse and sports facilities. Kapag may-ari ka ng condominium, ang pangunahing responsibilidad mo ay ang pagpapanatili ng iyong condominium unit. Kadalasan maliit lang ang space, kaya minimal lang ang gastos. Kadalasan ang kailangan i-maintain lang ay yung air conditioner at ipalinis yung grease trap. Kapag window type aircon, starting price ng linis ay 600 pesos. Tapos kung split type, 1,000 pesos. Yung grease trap cleaning pwedeng mag-start ng 300 pesos. You normally won't have a difficult time looking for skilled workers to help you with maintenance and cleaning since the property management office of the condominium building usually has a list of people who can assist you. Mababa man ang gastos sa maintenance, obligado kang magbayad ng condominium association dues kahit hindi ka tumira ng ilang buwan sa unit mo. The condominium association dues is your share of the expenses for the upkeep of the building, common areas and amenities, the wages of the condominium employees, and even the real property tax for the common areas. The cost varies depending on the available amenities, buildings density, and land value of the condominium. At yan ang kadalasang kinakalkula base sa total floor area size ng unit. Kaya halimbawa, 85 pesos per square meter ang association dues ng isang condominium building at ang floor area ng iyong condominium ay 24 square meters. Ang maaaring bayaran mo para sa association dues ay 2,040 pesos per month. Sa isang taon yan ay 24,480 pesos. At kung let's say binili mo ang condominium mo ng 4,500,000 pesos, base dyan sa example na yan, mas mura talaga yung maintenance ng condominium kasi kahit i-add mo ang association dues, air conditioner cleaning, grease trap cleaning, at minor repairs, hindi pa aabot ng 1% ng purchase price yung gastos. Lifestyle. Since houses are usually away from the heart of the city, homeowners have a more subdued and peaceful lifestyle. Ang pagtira sa isang bahay at lupa ay nagkakahulugan na maraming extra indoor at outdoor space. Kaya mas kaaya-ayang mapaunlakan ng mga bisita, mas kasya ang pamilya at walang problemang mag-alaga ng maraming alagang hayop. A lot of privacy can also be enjoyed depending on the neighborhood, the size of the property, and the size of the house. Condominiums are ideal for dwellers who have a busy and active lifestyle. Dahil sa halip na gamitin mo ang oras mo para mag-maintain ng bahay, mas mapagtutuunan mo ng pansin kung ano ang mga hilig mong gawin. Mas kaunti kasi yung lilinisin at mas onti yung oras na nakakain sa paglalakad mo doon sa espasyo ng iyong tirahan. Condominiums are also ideal for those who like to go out because there is increased security. Maliban kasi sa security personnel, meron ding CCTV cameras. At sa mga mas bagong condominium buildings, kailangan ng key card access. Kaya hindi basta-basta makakapunta yung mga unwanted guests sa iyong floor kapag nakalusot sila sa front desk staff. The condominium lifestyle also has a community-driven aspect since you live near others through the shared walls as well as the common recreational areas. Ibig sabihin, meron kang mga oportunidad para makakilala ng maraming kapitbahay at posibleng magkaroon ng mga bagong kaibigan. That can come in handy for those who live alone since they will feel safer and there is unity when there are issues that need to be resolved concerning the management of the condominium building. Overall, choosing between a house and lot and a condominium depends on where you want to live, financial situation, lifestyle, and end goals. Tandaan lang na kapag meron kang working budget, kailangan mong mag-focus sa kung anong pinaka-pinapahalagahan mo. Mas malaking space at mapayapang pamumuhay, mas mainam na sa house and lot ka dapat tumira. Or if you value convenience and accessibility more, then perhaps a condominium unit should be for you. Kailangan mo talagang mag-compromise maliban na lang kung sky's the limit ang budget mo. Pwede ka kasing bumili ng penthouse condominium unit kung saan malawak ang space mo kasi kasing laki na ng bahay ang floor area. Minsan mas malaki pa sa average size ng bahay. You can still have a peaceful lifestyle even if you live in a very accessible location. Isa sa magandang example dyan na maaring makita dahil pinost ang tirahan ay yung bahay ni Ses Drilon. Anyway, I hope you learned a lot again in this video. If you do, please give this video a like. Feel free to let me know your thoughts also in the comment section below. And if you still haven't subscribed, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I have new videos. Again, I'm Mean Clemente, a licensed real estate broker and a content creator based in Metro Manila, Philippines. Thank you for watching Own Property PH.